I have so many things to say about Gua Sha.
Tell us it all.
Hello, this is Alina, Rescue Spa Esthetician. Today, just follow me with my Gua Sha routine. For the beginners, when you start doing Gua Sha, it's very important to stay consistent. Do it daily for a couple of minutes. You don't have to do it like, I don't know, half an hour. Just do it like 3 to 5 minutes. Stay consistent for like 3 weeks, I would say, just to see better results. And then you can just do it a couple of times a week. In the morning, it's the best, just to make sure you detoxify and you depuff the skin. I already cleansed my skin with a CeraBalm, my favorite product, and I follow with D22. And now I'm gonna apply the master mask. I'm gonna use that much. I'm gonna start using the Gua Sha from the back of the neck. It helps to release also tension. So you're gonna go up, close to the hairline. Like very gentle pressure. And then I'm gonna move here to the neck. Always upward movements. You can do it between 3 and 5 passes. And then you're gonna drain. And then I'm gonna go under the chin. So you're gonna go close to the ear. And you're just gonna glide it. Very gentle, light pressure, just to stimulate the lymph fluid. And then I'm gonna use the same side here. Now I'm gonna move up and I'm gonna go under the eye with the same side of the stone. Close to the ear. Using Gua Sha also is gonna increase the circulation, so if you're gonna get a little red, it's normal. And then I'm gonna use the same side as I'm gonna move up to the forehead. I'm gonna go close to the hairline. You can go under the eyebrow. I like to use a little bit of vibration just for more stimulation, especially right here under the eyebrow, right here. You can put a bit more pressure because we hold a lot of tension. Just go up. And then you can just go from here using the same side of the Gua Sha. You can go on the other side and just close to the hairline. And also going under the eyebrow.